Wait, what'd you say?
Can I have the attention of the Lady Rebel volleyball program? This is to Christmas Williams because my other one didn't fly with the coach. You can't be yourself and there's some volleyball. You better learn that quick.
Talk louder.
Hello, Miss Christmas Williams. It is my honor to announce that you have been accepted to Richland High School Lady Rebel volleyball program. You will be receiving your formal invitation. Oh my God, I spelled that wrong.
It's initiation.
Packet in the mail shortly. Thank you for your time and interest. Regards, Sierra Costello. If this does not get accepted, you will no longer have me on your team because I will. You ready for a loud noise?